is a 37-inch time saver. All right, go ahead.
All right, we'll turn the controls on. We'll start and pull each head up to speed first, and then we'll start the feed.
Can you open the door? We got belts on the first two heads, no belt on the third head because we're just using it to plane down. So we need the fine print. Great.